What's up guys, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox these two watches. For the transparency, these items are sponsored by Touchelex company. We have the Harley series and the Venus series. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing.
Let's take first the Harley series. So it is available in three colors: the army green, pink, and the black. So it is in a rectangular shape. Compatible devices, we have Android and iOS. Human interface input, touchscreen, screen size 1.75 inches, water resistant level, waterproof, shape rectangular of course, battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Of course, at first we have Harley watch. Under the digital watch, we have a cord for a charger and as well as the manual. So the manual is written in Chinese words, not in English. But don't worry, I will guide you on how to use this watch and I will explain everything about this item. The charger cord is less than a meter length and I think it is 3/4 of a meter. It is not too long and it is a magnetic cord. One more pretty cool thing in this watch is the removable bracelet. So you can remove it if you want and you can put it back if you want. To activate the digital watch or the Harley watch, we need to connect the charger. Another one, we have a Venus series, so circle shape and available in two colors, pink and black, aluminum and thin frame. I forgot to mention, Harley series is made from aluminum and thin frame also. Compatible devices, we have Android and iOS. Screen size 1.2 inches, AMOLED display, water resistant level, of course waterproof also, and human interface input, touchscreen. Under the Venus watch, we have a magnetic cord for a charger just like the Harley series and the manual of course, but in this case the manual is written in English words. There are some differences between the Venus and the Harley series. I will give you the key points why they are differ from each other after reviewing the two products.
The size and length of the cord is same with Harley series, less than a meter. And another one, the bracelet is also removable. You may put it back if you want anytime. For this to be able to activate, we need to connect the charger.
Let's proceed to the linking process. So remember, we cannot use this watch without linking or if you are not connected to the smartphones. All we have to do first is to download the Touchelex application on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now I'm using Google Play Store Android mobile phone. Now let's open the Touchelex application and we need to register on this particular application. Okay, now let's click the experience now. Click register to create an account.
Just a piece of advice, all information that you are going to fill up in this application must be true because the system will base on this information in tracking our health status. Now the application is ready. Let's connect the Touchelex watch.
Click add device.
This time I'll connect the Touchelex Harley. Click the scanner from upper right side. So we need to scan the QR code to start the linking process.
After scanning, there's a question from your Touchelex watch if you want to bind it to your phone. Kindly click the check button if you want to bind it. Touchelex Venus and Touchelex Harley were already connected on my phone. I will use Touchelex Venus in demonstration.
Under the device category, you may choose watch faces. You may download as many as you can. The other one is the customization of watch face. You may use your photo, your picture as your watch face. Like for example, I customize my watch face by using my picture. You may crop your picture you want to appear on the screen of Touchelex watch. And finally, you have your customized watch face. To have a full access on our mobile phone, we need to allow some permissions in our Touchelex application like notifications, like messages, Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the water reminder to know when we need to drink a water. Another one, we have the activity reminder if we have any schedule today, tomorrow, and whenever. We have also an alarm if you have to wake up for a specific time. Then the heart rate monitoring if you want to know the BPM or the beats per minute. Or else you may choose an interval length, it depends upon to you. Remote control photography. So if you want to take a picture and you need a distance from your camera, you may use this watch as a remote to capture the object. If there's a person calls you and you are not about to answer it, so you may send a quick reply to the person who called you. Furthermore, you may create a customized quick replies if you want. There's an additional device settings. We have first the weather forecast if you are concerned about the weather. Next one is the raise to wake. We need to activate it to easily see the time when you lift up your hand. We have OTA upgrade. It is an upgrade for a Touchelex application. And the next one, we have a help center if there's something happened with your Touchelex watch. Now I have the actual watch and let's see how to use it. If you push the upper button, you will see the time and the date as well as the picture if you already customized your watch face, and lastly the count of your steps. When you scroll down, you will see the shortcut buttons such as raise to wake, settings, brightness, do not disturb mode, and the flashlight. I will explain these buttons in actual application of this watch. On the other hand, when you scroll up, you will see the all messages and all notifications you had in your phone. I forgot to mention the upper button is also the return or the back button. On the left side, you will see the weather status, the sleep monitoring, the music, heart rate monitoring, activity record, and on the right side, you will see the same information or shortcut but in a reverse arrangement. There's a shortcut in changing watch face. Just do the long press on the screen and you will see the different watch faces and you're free to choose whatever you want. The purpose of the lower button is to wake up the screen, and in the second time you push it, you will proceed to the workout mode. It is a shortcut to have a quick access if you want to work out. Let's proceed to the application of this watch. To see the application, just click the upper button after waking the screen. First, we have a workout. There's a lot of activities you may perform like outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle, spinning, trekking, basketball, yoga, rowing, elliptical trainer, cricket, strength training, and free training. Now let's try the outdoor walk since it is a moderate exercise. So here I tried to walk for almost 3 minutes. And for example, you finished your workout and I will show you on how to end your recording, and just press the upper button and the system will ask you to stop the workout. If you want to continue, just press the green button, and if you want to stop it, just press the red button. You may lock your recording by just tapping the lock icon above for a safety purposes. Next, we have a workout records. So from the word itself, it is a keeper of workout records. As you can see, I have here a 3-minute outdoor walk record. Let's see the contents of record. So outdoor walk, 3 minutes. and here are the contents. We have first the time counted, total distance, calories, steps, average step frequency, average stride, average speed, maximum speed, and the heart rate curve. You will see here the graph. Aside from that, you will see the heart rate zone, as well as the bar graph for pace curve. Another application is the heart rate, so it measures the beats per minute or the BPM. Then we have an oxygen saturation, so it measures the blood oxygen in our body. We have also an activity record, so it measures the times, the steps, the calories, and the kilometer you traveled, as well as the graph for the active, steps, and the consume. Next, we have sleep application. So I will show you my sleep record last night. First is the sleep duration. So I have just 4 hours and 39 minutes. Let's scroll up and we will see the other details. So sleep time 1:34 a.m. Wake up time 6:13 a.m. because I have a class. So awake 6 minutes ago. Light sleep 2 hours and 21 minutes. Deep sleep 1 hour and 16 minutes. REM 56 minutes. The next one is the breathing training. It helps you or guides you on how to inhale and exhale properly, depends upon on how long you want to do it. Let's proceed to the music application. So here I will give you an example.
You lift my feet up to ground.
Let us now move on to the message. So here there's no message. I will send to the phone connected, the Touchelex Venus. As you can see, there's a notification message from the phone and as well as to the Venus Touchelex watch. Now you will be able to read a message from your watch. You can also see the weather updates from this watch. So as you can see, there is a Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit and the future weather. After the weather, we have stopwatch. We have also a timer. So 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you may customize, depends upon to you on how long the duration. There's alarm application also if we need to wake up for a specific time. We have a flashlight application and the light is come from the backlight of the screen. Here is the example on how the lights work, and I think enough to see things close to you. The next application is the Find Phone. So if your friend is kidding and tried to hide your phone, you will see it by just tapping the Find Phone and the device will ring. Let's proceed to the camera. So it serves as a remote control to your mobile phone if you need a distance to capture the object or the subject. Last but not definitely the least is the settings. So first we have screen settings. In screen settings, we have dial settings. You will see here the different watch faces like the customized and the default one. Next is the AOD dial or the always on display dial. You just have to turn it on to activate. The screen as well as the dial will not close unless low battery. We have two choices from the AOD or always on display, the pointer or the dial and the number. We have screen timeout, so it depends upon to you on how long the duration you want to see the information on your screen. Second setting, we have night mode, so we just need to activate it if you need a night mode. Next, we have the DND or Do Not Disturb mode. It's either all day or timing. So if you activate it, you will not be able to receive calls and notifications from your watch. Then we have raise to wake. So if you turn it on, your screen will open automatically when you lift up your hand, so you have an easy access on your screen as well as the time. Another one, we have intensity. So it's something to do with the vibration on how hard you want. Next is the brightness setting. So it depends upon to you if you want a high or low brightness. Furthermore, we have system settings, and under it we have the power off, restart, and reset. Of course, we have about watch application, and you will see here the watch name, the model, the Bluetooth address, firmware version, and the SN. Aside from that, we have regulatory information, the name of the watch, and the symbols, as well as the company. Now let's take a look to the Harley series Touchelex. When it comes to performance, functions, material used, it's all the same with Venus series. There are some differences like the shortcuts. There was no alarm in Venus series. Obviously, they are different in shape and size. Another one is the icons. So there are some icons differ from Venus, like workout records, activity record, the music, stopwatch, and camera. When it comes to price, Touchelex Venus is more expensive than Harley series. So Venus price is $89.99 and the Harley price $69.99. That would be all, and if we talk about the ratings, I will give 11 points out of 10. So just kidding. So honest review, I'll give perfect 10 points for its design, performance, and functions. And I'm very impressed with its health tracker applications. And I'm pretty sure this will be my health partner. Shop now on the link in description box. Stay safe and God bless.